issued by the Honorable Court today?
I'm not satisfied. I'm extremely grateful, and I'm very happy that the Honorable Supreme Court has upheld the rule of law. They have stayed the directions to take all the dogs and put them into pounds. All those directions have been stayed. Yet the Animal Birth Control Rules 2023 has been upheld. The focus of the petition has been extended to be pan-India. All high courts that are seized of similar matters have been called to the Honorable Supreme Court now. The court has specifically said that feeding areas have to be made, and so that people don't go around feeding in other places, which would cause inconvenience to others. So feeding basically has been recognized by the court as an integral part of our civilization. Giving food to the needy, giving food to animals has been upheld and recognized by the court. The rules have been upheld and recognized by the court, and for that we are extremely, extremely grateful to them.
What about the dogs which have already been picked up? The court has not issued their direct release. It has said that they must be sterilized first and then released.
That's
Do you
right.
think those strays are safe until they are immunized and sterilized?
So wherever they are kept, if the dogs have been picked up and put in certain facilities, it is now the responsibility under the rules of the municipal corporations to sterilize, vaccinate, deworm, and then release those dogs back in the same places where they were picked up from, because the rule did not stop from its operation at any point in time. The rule was completely operative. So with this order coming in force, those dogs will have to be put back in the same place, of course with the exception of dogs that have biting histories or symptoms of rabies, etc., which of course the rule also provides for. So it just completely satisfies the legal regime.
Also introduce yourself.
I'm Gauri Molekhi from People for Animals.
Thank you.